everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your Oportun credit card account using your desktop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser to begin. You can open up any web browser of your choice. Go to the address bar at the top of the screen and type in Oportun credit card login and press enter on your keyboard. From the search results displayed on the page, click on the first link that will take you to oportun.com/creditcards. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to this page. Click on the login button in the top right hand corner. In the pop-up that appears on the screen, choose your login type that you'd like to access with. In today's video, since we are logging into our credit card account, let's click on this credit card login link. On the next page, you should see a login portal. In order to get access to your account, you'll need to simply go ahead and log into your credit card account with your information, that is your email address and your password. First, make sure to type in a valid email address in the first text field that appears on the screen. After you're done, head over to the password field. Make sure to type in your password correct as well. If you want to double check your password since it is not visible to you in the password box, you can click on this eye icon at the right corner. If you've forgotten your password and you don't know what to do next, click on Forgot Password link beneath the login button and follow the instructions to look for it. If you're not enrolled into online account yet, click on Create Online Account link and follow the instructions to register. Finally, after you're done typing in all of your information correct and you're ready to log in, click on the Login button in green. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged into your Oportun credit card account right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos again. Thank you for watching.